Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I thought we'd try something a little different. This is Jemma by Bobbi Boss, and I got her in the color, oh, you can't see, Flamingo Pink. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we're gonna be unboxing Jemma. She is from Bobbi Boss. She is a Creative Colors wig. Now, I don't know what she's gonna look like, you guys. All I know is she's in a fantastic color. I don't know that she'll be the right color for me, but I thought, what the heck? Go ahead and get this, oh Lord. Go ahead and get this girl and see what she does. This is pretty amazing. Yeah, she's not going to be for everybody. I'm going to tell you that right now. This girl is not going to be for everybody, but she might be for somebody out there. And if you're that somebody, then I'm excited to look at this girl with you. She's a very colorful wig. Oh, she's really lightweight. Oh, she's not very dense at all. I was expecting from the package that she would be heavier, but she's actually really, really light. Oh, little black string in there. Okay, let's take a look at this girl's stock card real quick. Again, this is Bobbi Boss wig. She is the Creative Color series. Her name is Jemma. All right. Her number is, I don't even know. M1033 Jemma, and I got her in the color Flamingo Pink. And you can see all of that right here. Now, it also says that she is heat safe styling up to some 100 degrees. She also comes in other special colors, and those are located on the back right here. We've got AMT Sunset, not sure, Flamingo Pink, Indigo, Rainbow, I'm assuming, and Tropic Neon. Okay, she is, what else? Available also in 1B2. Okay, and you've got some burgundy colors in there, so she does come in some more normal colors, but I went all out for us today, y'all, and I got her in Flamingo Pink. Okay, she also has a MEDIFRESH cap, which says it protects against pathogens and UV rays. Check that out. That's pretty cool. It says that health and beauty come together, and it has antibacterial properties to keep that yucky sweat from making creatures up in there. All right, so here she is. Okay, so here she is. This is the outside. So she's got this black top, which goes to an orangey pink, which goes down into this very neon flamingo color. She has no lace because she is a full cap wig. But let's check what she looks like on the inside. There are no combs in the front, y'all. Nothing. No combs. There's also no comb in the back, so get yourself a wig grip, okay? She does have those nifty adjustable straps. So they're on the widest setting here. The inside of her cap, she is the full mesh liner, so she's not going to have hair poking through. That is going to make her slightly warmer, but she's very light. And that's her closure. All right, let's get Jemma on and see what she, oh no, she came out again on the other side. Y'all, I'm having some issues. Let's see what she looks like. Okay. Okay, right now she looks like I've got a mullet. Ooh, her bangs are quite long. We're actually, you know what? I'm actually going to pull this down. And I'm going to just side sweep for today. How about that? And this is what I ended up with. The bang for me is not that great. If I were to wear this, I would probably go in and cut that bang. So if I were going to put it where it fits, that would come to here. And of course that means that I would have to, you know, side sweep the bang a little. Like that. And I mean, that's not terrible. Again, I have my own real hair out and brushed into this bang. So it gives it a little bit more depth. It makes it a little more connected appearing, I think. So if I did side sweep the bang, it does, you know, if the wind blows, it's going to look like my hair because it is. Okay. So, but yeah, I would totally probably cut the bang. Okay, everybody, this is Jemma. She, again, is by Bobbi Boss. She mostly does what it says she's going to do. The bangs, again, are a bit long for me. And this gradient does just kind of go straight across here. In real life, I'm seeing more gradient to it than I am on camera, I guess. But, yeah, I'm going to have to check that out in the bathroom under real lighting. Okay, so this is Jemma. She is M1033. She's heat safe up to some 100 degrees. She's by Bobbi Boss from their Creative Colors series. And she has that MEDIFRESH cap. Alright, do I recommend her? You know what? She's fun. Okay, she's fun. She's banged. If you like a banged wig and you like these fun colors and you don't mind this like almost straight across gradient, you might really have fun with her. I think I like her. I think I'm going to get some wear out of her. I don't know where I'm going to go with her on my head, but I'm going to find somewhere to go. Okay, that is it. That is all I have for today. If there is a wig that you would like me to review, please post her information and how I can find her down in the comment section below. While you're there, click like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. That way you are alerted every time I upload a video. That's it. I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.